Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing how farmers grow food. It helps them use less water, fewer chemicals, and keep the soil healthy, all while growing more food for people. The Earth is facing big problems like climate change, unhealthy soil, not enough water, and the need to feed lots of people, 10 billion by 2050. Artificial intelligence is like a superhero tool that helps farmers solve these problems by being smarter about how they farm. It uses things like robots, cameras, and weather predictions to make farming better for the planet. Welcome to Enviro News. News Radio. Today, let's learn how artificial intelligence helps farms in 4 big ways: careful farming, saving resources, stopping pests, and healing the earth. We'll also talk about why it's sometimes hard to use artificial intelligence. Careful farming. Artificial intelligence helps farmers be super careful about how they use water and plant food. It's like having a helper who checks the plants and soil all the time. Artificial intelligence uses tools like drones, sensors in the ground, and satellites to see how crops are doing. For example, sensors can tell if the soil is too dry or needs more nutrients. This way, farmers only add water or fertilizer where it's needed instead of everywhere. This saves water, which is important because farming uses a lot of it, 70% of all the world's fresh water. It also stops extra fertilizer from washing into rivers and making them dirty. In California, an artificial intelligence tool helped grape farmers use 16% less water and grow 26% more grapes by figuring out exactly when to water. Drones with artificial intelligence can also spot bugs or sick plants early, so farmers only use bug spray in those spots. This keeps bees and other helpful animals safe and stops chemicals from hurting the environment. Robots from companies like Nio Technologies can even tell weeds apart from crops and zap only the weeds, which saves money and keeps the earth cleaner, saving resources. Artificial intelligence is like a weather wizard that helps farmers plan better. It looks at old weather, soil, and crop information to guess the best time to plant, water, or add fertilizer. This is super helpful because climate change makes weather tricky to predict. For example, artificial intelligence can tell if rain is coming, so farmers don't waste water. In India, an artificial intelligence tool called Farmer Chat gives farmers tips on what to do, helping them grow more food while using less stuff. Artificial intelligence also powers cool machines like self-driving tractors and robots that pick weeds or harvest crops. These machines are super precise, so they don't hurt the soil or use too much gas. A robot from FarmWise, for example, pulls weeds without hurting crops, which means less bug spray and healthier dirt. These tools help farmers grow food even if there aren't enough workers, and they make less pollution, which is great for the planet. Stopping pests. Artificial intelligence is like a plant doctor that spots problems fast. It uses cameras and drones to find bugs or sick plants before they get worse. For example, a tool called TrapView uses artificial intelligence to predict where bugs will show up, so farmers can stop them early. This helped farmers grow 5% more food and save a lot of money by using less bug spray. Artificial intelligence can even spot diseases like a sickness in apples with over 90% accuracy, so farmers only treat the sick plants. This careful approach means fewer chemicals get into rivers or hurt animals like fish and birds. For farm animals, artificial intelligence tools like Cattle Eye use drones to check if cows are healthy or if a baby cow is coming, so farmers don't use medicine unless they need to. This keeps farms and nature safer. Healing the earth. Artificial intelligence helps farmers take care of the soil and nature, which is called regenerative farming. It checks how healthy the soil is and suggests things like planting extra plants that help the soil or not digging too much. This keeps the dirt strong, holds more water, and even traps bad air that causes climate change. A tool called Farm Vibes AI helps farmers see how these ideas save money and help the earth. In India, artificial intelligence helps 7,000 chili farmers grow more food and use less stuff by farming this way. Artificial intelligence also helps make stronger plants that can handle hot or dry weather, so farmers don't need as many chemicals. This makes farms and the planet healthier. Why artificial intelligence is hard to use. Even though artificial intelligence is awesome, it's not easy for everyone. It costs a lot, and some farmers worry about who sees their farm data. Not all farmers have fast internet or know how to use computers. Also, robots might take some farm jobs, which could be tough for workers. To fix this, people need to help farmers learn about artificial intelligence and make it cheaper so everyone can use it. Way forward. Artificial intelligence is making farming better by being careful with water and chemicals, stopping pests early, and healing the earth. It helps grow more food while keeping the planet happy. But we need to make artificial intelligence easier and cheaper for all farmers. By 2028, artificial intelligence for farming will be a huge deal, growing from 1.7 billion to 4.7 billion. With help from leaders, businesses, and farmers, artificial intelligence can make sure we have enough food and a healthy earth for everyone. That's it for today. See you in another video. Till then, bye.